Hi everybody, welcome back to Crafted by Norma. Today I'm going to do a flip through of a journal and pouch that I did when I was in Cumbria. But first of all, I'd like to send a message to Natalie, who bought my Victorian junk journal and pouch. Natalie lives in Lincoln in the States, and she made a lovely comment on when she purchased her journal to say that she was made up, that the pouch helps keep her mementos that extend beyond the journal pages. So thank you for that, Natalie. So all I've gone and done is made the journal and then made the pouch to sort of fit the journal. And I've tried to do it as if it's more shabby chic. So we start off with, I've got a little tiny, well it's not tiny actually, it's quite big really, charm, copper charm, and then I've got some little bees that are printed and painted onto the linen there, and the same on the other side. I've got a picture of a bee just there that I've sewn in. So that's the pouch. The beautiful burnt orange that's on there is actually Indian sari silk, which I bought. I think it's lovely. I just love the colour, but I do like orange. Orange is one of my favourite colours. Anyway, moving on. So you open up the pouch, and inside you're going to have the bee journal itself, which is an altered book that I've done. In actual fact, this one is a Charles Dickens book. I don't know whether you can quite see that. That a friend gave me to utilise. So we've got a little tiny bee charm that's on there, and then one of my skeleton type tags that I've done in another workshop with some just coffee stained linen on the front there, just to hide really the front of the original book. And then inside, when we open it out, we have got the original paper that it came in, which is the sort of marbled effect paper, and then we've got a pouch there with some coffee stained paper and a tag for you to journal in. And then on this side we've got an envelope, a reused envelope that one of my bills came in, if I'm honest, and we've just got a little pocket here with an image of a bee inside there. And then turning over, we've just got two little tags there. And then the pages, so in this one itself, we've got, there's 3 signatures that make up the book, and each signature has 20 separate pages. So we've got there where I've gone and machine stitched just a piece of coffee stained muslin on the paper, and we've got that flaps out like that. And then here we've got a paper bag with a little envelope that's in it. There we go, with some bees. And again, I've just put a little end tag there as a page divider with another little bee. Let's just see if we can get a bit closer. Maybe that's a bit better. And then turning over those pages, we've just got some lined paper with a journaling tag in there. A small piece of, I think this is Shakespeare, with a bee sewn onto there. Some music paper, and again with a pocket with a little envelope. I did buy a digital kit. For the life of me, I can't remember who from. I will check, and I will put it on the description below, so you can see where I got them from. And again, this is an envelope from that same digikit, which I think is lovely. And again, we've got some paper from the vintage journal book that I got. And then here we've got a little bee tag with some little butterflies on a paper clip and a bulb clip. Now when I sew my pages in, I always leave a little bit extra so I can put a little tag so you know where the centre of the signature is. And again, we've got just a couple of tags, and again they're from the digital kit. They just slot into there. And then I've used a stamp which is from, there's the stamp, from Indigo Blue, which prints out lovely. Made up with that. And again, a page there that just flips open for some extra journaling, and a little paper tag just on the end there. And then carrying on, we've got another page highlighter there with a bee image on. See if we can get that. There we go. That's a bit better. And then that's the other side of the bag, and again we've got a piece from the digital kit just slotted into there, and that just follows through. And every now and again you'll see a little tiny bee, and again that's from Indigo Blue. Where is it? Let's see. We've got a little teeny weeny little bee, and they stamp out lovely. It comes with a little partner, which, oh, where is he? There he is. So that's its little partner. I don't know if you can see that very well. There we go. And then we turn over here. Now this one was an envelope, and I've just added some paper, a little paper clip there, and then a large paper clip that keeps it all in place, which is quite nice. And then a envelope as the front cover of the next, there we go, of the next signature. And another little envelope there. Wallpaper. Quite like the way you've got extra paper if you've folded it over, to be honest. And some more bees and sewn pieces. And there's that little bee just there stamped on that corner. And again we've got some honeycomb and a bee just there. I do like making these, I must admit, although they can be a bit fiddly. And again, this is another image from that DigiKit, which I've gone and put on a card just to make a journaling card. And another page from the vintage journal. And then I've just put a little key charm on there. Some music paper, and again another journaling card just slotted in there. So there's loads of places for you to actually journal on, and then you've also got pockets and things for you to add things into your journal yourself. There's a little side pocket there, and again another little journaling card just to slot into there. And then some lace just sewn down there. I don't have an awful lot of lace and materials. I gave a lot of I gave nearly all my materials to a charity that makes bags, bereavement bags, so if anyone passes away in hospital, they're not having their personal things sent home in just a plastic bag. They make little tote bags. So I passed near enough all my materials to them a while back. So, and again we've got the next signature is an envelope, and again with a little pocket there, and I've put a little tag in there, and a little tag stuck on there as a page turner. Another little envelope, little seed envelope this time, and again with the image of the little bee just in this bottom corner here. Another part of the paper bag, and a clip just on the side there with a bee image on it. So that's one of those kit that came, and it looks like a bottle top, and I've just added the image of the bee inside. Oops. And another journaling tag into that one, and then another page from the vintage book. So really each, that's a beautiful image, each signature is really following on from the other signature, trying to use similar papers so it's got a flow, because I do like to have some sort of flow in my journals. And then if a page is just slightly a bit on the thin side and I think it's not going to wear very well, I do add some washi tape. I've got some vintage coloured washi tape that I just add just to give it a little bit of strength. And again, another envelope from the DigiKit. But as I say, I will drop the details down. The other side of the paper bag with all sorts of bits and pieces in. So that's one of the DigiKit images, and I've put that just on a coffee stained index card. And then I've got some papers that's in there, just tied with some twine. And then that brings us to the last few pages. So on this one, I've just gone and done a belly band across there that actually opens out, and then some paper, a little envelope with the bee on it, and then that just closes down like that. And then with this one, I've got a large paper clip that I've just made it as a fastener, just to fasten everything together so it doesn't come undone. And then in here I've got a page in the envelope just with a piece of craft card, and again just attached a little paper charm on there. Slot that in there like so. There we go. And then on the very, very back page, and you can see it's got the marbled paper, the original marbled paper that I tried to keep, with a, and I like that image too, with a little pocket at the back. And that brings us to the end of the bee journal. Oops, he's come off there. So I'll stick him back on there in a sec. So thank you for watching. Do hope you've enjoyed watching this flip through, and I will give you the details of the digital image that I've used. Give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I'm quite happy to take constructive comments. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel to watch anything else that I've got coming up. Thank you very much from Crafted by Norma. See you again. Bye.